Okay guys, look at this slide. This is the material of meeting 6, yeah. Okay, the first slide is we will talk about the verb, everyday action. Second is conversation. The third is adverb of time. The fourth is conversation. The fifth is grammar focus. And the last, of course, exercise and assignment meeting 6. And now, let's see the first material of meeting 6. Okay guys, look at this picture. This is the first slide of meeting 6 ya. Di sini yang kita bahas adalah verb, yaitu verb kata kerja yang sering banyak kita pakai dalam kegiatan kita sehari-hari. Oke, for the first picture, brush your hair ya, brush your teeth, clean, and many more. Nah, ini kata kerja yang paling banyak dipakai dalam kegiatan sehari-hari. And of course, you have to master a lot of vocabularies too, ya. Jadi kalian juga harus menguasai banyak kosakata supaya kalian ketika ingin berbicara jadi mempunyai banyak kosakata. Ya, tentu dalam kegiatan sehari-hari juga harus banyak menguasai kosakata ini. Oke, selanjutnya next we see the next conversation. Oke, this is the second material of meeting 6 ya. Ini adalah materi kedua di pertemuan 6, yaitu conversation I hardly ever exercise ya. You can practice this conversation with your friends ya. They are two person in this conversation, Mary and Paul ya. And they talk about they exercise. Now, and now let's we see the adverb of frequency and adverb of time in simple present time. Oke guys, this is the adverb of time in simple present tense. Ini adalah kata keterangan waktu yang dipakai dalam tensi simple present tense yang biasa kita pakai dalam kegiatan sehari-hari. The first is always. Always is selalu. So, if you change in the present tense, jadi persentase, kalau kita rubah ke dalam persentase adalah 100%. Second is usually. Usually artinya biasanya. Berarti kalau dalam persentase itu sekitar 85%. Frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, dan lain-lainnya kalian bisa baca di situ untuk dalam persentasenya berapa ya. Nah, biasanya always, usually, ya, often itu diletakkan sesudah subjek. Contohnya I always love you. I always sesudah subjek always atau usually ya. Tapi kalau ada keterangan waktu misalnya every, kalian harus letakkan di belakang kalimat. Oke? And now let's we see the next slide. Okay guys, look at the conversation. This is the second conversation. The title is I'm a real fitness freak. Yeah. In this conversation, there are two person here, Ruth and Kate, and they talk about the exercise. You can practice this conversation with your friends or with your brother or sister at home as usual. Yeah. Okay. And now let's we see the grammar focus of this conversation. Okay, now please look at this grammar focus ya. We will talk about the question with how in short answer ya. We can take the how in conversation above ya. The first is how often. How often do you work out? Ya. How often here artinya adalah seberapa sering ya. How often do you work out? Tadi ada kata-kata ini kan di conversation di atas ya. Seberapa sering kamu latihan? Nah, you can answer every day, twice a week, not very often. Yang kedua adalah how long. How long di sini artinya bukan bagaimana panjang, tapi artinya how long di sini artinya berapa lama. How long do you spend at the gym? Berapa lama kamu biasanya menghabiskan waktu di gym? You can answer 30 minutes a day or 2 hours a week. Ya, kamu bisa jawab 2 jam, 3 jam, atau dalam menit juga bisa. Okay, and the third is how well. How well here it mean seberapa bagus atau seberapa baik kamu. How well do you play tennis? Seberapa bagus kamu dalam bermain tenis gitu ya. You can answer very well about average, not very well ya. And then how good sama tadi dengan how well, tapi kalau kamu pakai well, kamu harus pakai auxiliary do. Tapi kalau kamu pakai how good, kamu harus pakai to be karena good di sini adalah adjective. Jadi how good are you at sport? Seberapa bagus kamu dalam olahraga? Kalau kamu pakai well, harus how well do you play? Ada kata kerjanya di sini. Oke? Itu yang membedakan antara how well and how good. Okay guys, and now let's we see the last slide of meeting 6. Okay, this is the last slide of meeting 6 ya. Of course, exercise and assignment of meeting 6 ya. As usual, you have to answer all question in meeting 6 and then please write about your favorite activity ya. Jadi seperti biasa tugasnya meeting 6 ini kamu jawab semua pertanyaan yang ada di slide pertemuan 6 dan kamu juga tolong ceritakan atau tulis dalam 2 atau 3 paragraf tentang kegiatan favorit kalian yang bisa kalian lakukan boleh di hari kerja atau di hari libur kalian ya. Seperti biasa juga kalian harus jawab dan kirim jawaban kalian ke LSM UBSI dan di WA group juga. Okay? If you have any questions, you can give comment on my YouTube channel or you can ask me in our WA group. Okay? I think it's enough for today. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.